guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordine if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a lip swatch video of the new Fenty Gloss Bomb Creams. So if you guys are interested in how they look, then keep on watching. So we're going to swatch them in order from number 1 through 5. I'm going to leave the names listed on the screen so you guys can see what the colors are. Alright guys, so that's it for the swatches. Currently I have on number 5, Fruit Snacks. I actually really like the way that this one looks. It's very pretty. I think it's very appropriate for the holidays as well. But for the most part, all of the lip glosses are very comfortable. I did do 2 layers of each lip gloss and they're not sticky. I would say that 2 layers might give you a little bit of a bunching in the rim of the lip. I'll wear it today and I will keep you updated in a pinned comment down below just to let you know if you get that little white rim that we don't like. But for the most part, my favorite color is number 3, Honey Waffles. Perfect warm nude. It is so pretty, but I think that all the colors were definitely flattering to my skin tone, which I'm surprised because I didn't think I would like number 1 mauve wise, but I think it looked really pretty on my skin tone. So all the colors are pretty flattering. I would definitely wear the first 3 though with lip liner, and then the last 2 you could wear by itself. There is a bit of, let me just say, the color isn't like even throughout with the lighter shades, so you probably would have to layer it up a little bit more to give it a little bit more opaque color payoff. But 4 and 5 give you a little bit more color payoff. It's not, you don't really see any skin showing through, if that makes sense. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Pretty short, pretty easy. If you liked anything, please let me know which colors were your favorite. I will leave everything linked down below if you're interested in anything. And if you liked the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jordine. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.